A cold, desolate place. A place where the monotony of silence is only broken by the creak of shifting ice. Until the day 5 airmen arrive. Five men quite alone, miles from anywhere. 5 men who know that in this friendless place, death's only an hour away. The men don't hurry because speed would bring panic, and panic might be fatal. Few men tread in this remote corner of northeastern Canada, as harsh and as hostile as enemy country. Only men like the 5 from RAF Waddington in Lincolnshire, deliberately dumped here to learn the hard way how to survive. But lucky for them, this is just practice. This time they know they'll get back to the aircraft they fly, back to the Vulcan bomber. The Vulcan bomber, aging workhorse of Britain's Air Force, first revealed to the world way back in 1957, and still with a major role to play. She's maligned by some, but still hailed by the people who work with her as the most effective and most versatile heavy bomber around. The Vulcan was the world's first delta-wing bomber. Back in the 50s and 60s, as part of the V-bomber force, she was the proud spearhead of Britain's nuclear strength. Now, she takes second place to Polaris submarine. But that doesn't take the sting out of her tail. She still trains as a nuclear bomber, geared to carry a nuclear device as well as conventional weapons. And when she's going to attack, she's got 4 minutes to get off the ground. She flies all over the world, but it's here in the chill skies above subarctic Canada that the big bird, as the Eskimos call her, gets on with her most sinister flight. In a week's training stint away from Waddington, her 5-man crew take her north, deeper into hostile territory, learning how to drop a nuclear bomb. This juggernaut of the skies was built to drop bombs from a safe height of anything up to and beyond 50,000 feet. But fashions there are changing even in war, and nowadays the Vulcan learns to do her bombing the modern way. At low level, over the stark frozen lakes of the Canadian tundra, always at low level, always simulating an actual bombing run starting miles away and keeping at low level to penetrate enemy radar defenses, to get as close as possible to the target without being spotted. Miles and miles of pine forest. It could be the heart of Russia, which is no coincidence, for as Russian planes make almost daily visits to test British defences, so the British practice openly for the day they hope will never come, when they might go into action.